Good morning to everyone. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone. Kaya na Happy Halloween tayo ng background natin. Ayoko yung may Dracula kasi. Namimili lang ako. So, ito lang na medyo hindi nakakatakot. So, as usual guys, good morning to everyone. As usual, nagtitake ako ng kutsara nito. Wala pang laman ng tiyan ko. Dapat ito yung mauna. Oh my God, it's very hot. Pwede tayo magbaliw-baliwan ngayon kasi Halloween ngayon. Happy All Saints Day today. Today is All Saints Day. Tomorrow is All Souls Day. So ngayon guys, hindi na patagalin. Basta importante ay naunang kumain. So we have crispy donuts. 4 pieces. And then, so English na tayo, no? May pancit. This is my pancit. Sarapan yung kasama ko. Balik-balik siya. So ngayon, hinitin ko ito para kakainin. And for today's video, Halloween. Maganda pala pag Halloween. Tapos yung mata ko. Gawa ko ng Arabic coffee. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Happy Halloween to everyone, and also All Saints Day today. Today is Saturday, November 1.